Hi, friends. This is Tony, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like my content, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any of my newest uploads.
Okay, guys, today we are making cake pops. My daughter's birthday was a couple of days ago. This is a leftover cake.
From her birthday party.
You don't have to make a fresh cake, you can just use leftover cake. We're going to just take the icing off of it. This is something I've always wanted to do. Just get your hands in there and crumble it up. So satisfying. So now we're going to make some buttercream. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of softened butter to the bowl. We're going to blend this up. And we're going to add some powdered sugar to the mixture. So now our buttercream is ready. We're going to add a tablespoon at a time to the mixture. You want it the consistency of Play-Doh. You don't want it to get too soft. And if they do happen to come out too soft, you can put them in the refrigerator so they can stiffen up before you add your chocolate. At this point, we're going to use our ice cream scoop to make same size balls. So now we are going to double boil our chocolate. Just place the bowl in some water while it's boiling. I'm using Toll House white chocolate. You can use whatever
White chocolate you like.
The chocolate has completely melted, so now we're just going to pour it into our tall container. So now we're going to take a skewer, dip it in the chocolate, and into the cake pop. Making sure that the chocolate is not hot. If it's hot, it'll crack the cake pops.
Guys, I wanted to show you how I use food coloring to dye the buttercream, but the camera cut off.
So now the fun begins. We're going to dip the cake pop into the chocolate. Make sure that it's covered. Uh-oh.
All right, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button